There's breaking news just coming in. Aviation Minister has spoken out on Omicron safety norms. Jyotiraditya Scindia just briefed the Lok Sabha. Let us walk you through what he said. He said the government of India, to balance the health and the need to travel, RT-PCR tests on arrival for those arriving from at-risk nations. Jyotiraditya Scindia has also added that government effort has been to normalize slowly. Let's listen into what he had to say.
पिछले कई दिनों में ये ओमिक्रॉन जो वेरिएंट आया है कोविड का, इसके आधार पर दोबारा पूरा विश्व सचेत हो चुका है। WHO और बाकी एजेंसीज ने भी कहा है कि सचेतता हमें रखनी होगी। वर्तमान में 31 देशों के साथ हमारा एयर बबल एग्रीमेंट है और 10 देशों के साथ हमारा प्रस्ताव भी है एयर बबल एग्रीमेंट की शुरुआत करने के लिए। जिन 31 देशों के साथ हमारा एयर बबल एग्रीमेंट है, उन 31 देशों में कई देशों में हमने वृद्धि भी लाई है। उदाहरण के तौर पर यूनाइटेड किंगडम हो, अमेरिका के साथ आवागमन की सुविधा शुरू हुई है जो नवंबर तक बंद हुई थी, केवल स्टूडेंट्स के लिए और डिप्लोमेट्स के लिए शुरुआत हुई थी। सिंगापुर के साथ शुरुआत हुई है, लेकिन हमें दोनों को एक तरीके से संगम रखना होगा। स्वास्थ्य की चिंता, जनता की चिंता और आवागमन की सुविधा भी। तो वर्तमान में 11 देशों के लिए हमने एट रिस्क उन 11 देशों को रखा है। जिन देशों से हमारे यात्री भारत आएंगे, उनकी सबकी टेस्टिंग हमें सुनिश्चित करनी होगी। वो 11 देश हैं यूरोप के सारे कंट्रीज, यूनाइटेड किंगडम समेत, साउथ अफ्रीका, ब्राजील, बोट्सवाना, चाइना, मॉरिशस, न्यूजीलैंड, जिम्बाब्वे, सिंगापुर, हांगकांग और इजराइल। कल से ये प्रक्रिया शुरू हुई है, जैसे आपको विदित है, और टेस्ट करके सारे यात्री आराम से अब अपना जीवन यापन देश में कर पा रहे हैं। 15 दिन की सीमा हमने रखी है। उनको क्वारंटीन 7 दिन के लिए रखना, होम क्वारंटीन 8वें दिन पे टेस्ट करके, उसके बाद अगले 7 दिन मॉनिटर करके फिर वे अपना आवागमन शुरुआत उनकी हो सकती है। इसे हमें ध्यान में रखना होगा और दोनों का हमें संगम बनाना होगा।
Supriya is now joining us live for the latest. Supriya, what Jyotiraditya Scindia, the aviation minister, has said is that the government of India is trying to balance health and the need to travel at the moment. It is a tough one for any government anywhere in the world. And he's taken a stance. He's taken a stance to make sure that he makes the differentiation of the international flyers who are coming in from at-risk nations and the non-risk nations as well. If you could just walk our viewers through what he has proposed at the moment in the Lok Sabha.
Well, Cheti, there are very key points in that entire address by the Civil Aviation Minister in the Lok Sabha. He has said that Omicron is certainly a setback and the yardstick put in place by the government is right on the way. We will be hearing more from the government later in the day when that important short duration debate is going to take place in Lok Sabha on COVID issue. But at this moment, Scindia said that there have been 10 more proposed air bubbles. There have been proposals which have been sent to various countries, including that of Saudi Arabia is one of them. We know how much the traffic inflow from Saudi Arabia, the Middle East is there for the southern state, in particularly Kerala, where the coronavirus is still an issue of concern because we have been seeing a huge cases coming from there. At the same time also, there is this new protocol which have been set up. There is this proposal by the government which is being implemented that RT-PCR tests are on arrival from the at-risk countries will be mandatory. There's a full protocol which has been pushed in place. Certainly as the Omicron, which is the new variant of coronavirus, is a setback for any country. Also, Mr. Scindia mentioned that each country is going to take its own situation into account and then will form the rules and norms. So a standard rule for the entire world cannot be put in place by the WHO. India has already started as far as the COVID situation is concerned. There is already protocols in place. There are RT-PCR tests taking place. Also, there is a at-home protocol also which people have to follow. They have to stay at home. There is self-isolation. So a full preparation has been done And this is just a pre-rub to what we can expect when the health minister is going to speak later in the day. The opposition leaders are also going to raise up the issues concerning COVID. But one thing is for sure, the COVID is back and Omicron is certainly a variant of concern for the entire world, including India.
Thanks, Supriya, for getting us those second-by-second updates. In fact, Supriya's on top of everything that's going on in the parliament right now. Continue to be with us right there. Now, as the threat of a new COVID variant, Omicron, looms large, states have imposed guidelines to contain the threat of the spread of the virus.